So where are we going this morning, you may or you may not ask? Well, it's a new feature at Bueng Si Fai, and it's a flower garden. It might have a more specific name, I won't know until I get there. But it's a new addition I've seen being planted up for the last few months. I don't think it's had an official opening, but I've seen people wandering around there recently, so I thought I'd go and make my own little video this morning, and you can join me. So I've just been flying the Neo for the last 30 minutes or so hopefully I've got some nice footage of the area. It's starting to get really hot here now, and I've just tried looking to see if this place has a specific name, but the little sign behind me just says Phichit Municipality. So is it the Phichit Municipality Flower Garden? I don't know. You don't see so many people wandering around here at the night time. But you do see people coming to take selfies with the flowers, and I guess with this location sign in the background. I'm just having myself, actually I've had one cup of coffee this morning, but I may as well have another for the road. I had an idea to come down and grind my own beans and sit down and actually make a fresh pot of coffee, but you need to be at like sunrise when it's cool, because any action now like breathing makes you sweat. Just walking around here for the past 30 minutes with the little drone following me and going to various little points around the flower garden, just the sweat is pouring out of me. I don't know what the temperature is now. It's 10 to 8, and I'm guessing it's near 30 degrees. I'm not going to check my phone because it will probably... Oh, I can check my phone, yeah. Let me just see what we've got here. Well, it says it's 24 degrees, feels like 24 degrees. I find that very, very difficult to believe. But anyway, I'll make this video and I'll upload it, and feel free to like, subscribe and leave any comments. Thanks for now. Well, this is just some extra footage I'd like to record on my Osmo Pocket 2. I did some filming earlier on the DJI Neo, and probably, I don't know, 20 or 30 seconds on the Osmo Action 3. I'll do a bit of a walk around and see if this Pocket 2 is cracked up to what it says it is. It's currently on the extension rod, so I should be able to get some half decent footage. Alright, I'll take some more in a bit. Well, these flowers have just had a sprinkling, as you'll see in my drone footage from somewhere in this video. It's quite sodden underfoot now. These flowers, I'm unsure what the name is, but they're giving off a, not sure if it's a good scent or not. It smells like mint. Not sure what it is. I say to someone, make a comment in the comment section. Right, I think I'm going to end this video here. It's 9 o'clock. I came out at 6:30, just after sunrise. I hope there's a half decent video made from these clips this morning. If you want to like, subscribe and comment, that would be appreciated, so you can look out for more content from Mark Rees 18 and anything. Thanks very much for now.